Hey guys, today we are making an Old Bay chicken leg in our air fryer, all while having a whole lot of fun.
Check that out. Yum.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com, and we are having a Foodie Friday today with our Ninja Foodi grill. However, we are using the air crisp feature, which I think most of the Foodie products have. So you can do the same recipe in any of your Ninja Foodi products. I just grabbed this one because my main foodie's back there cooking my side dish for tonight. We're having cabbage. It is yummy, and we love it. And if you want me to show you how to do that sometime, we can totally do that. But tonight, we are having Old Bay chicken legs. So this is like a really flavorful fried chicken. Is kind of what it tastes like. We're going to air crisp it. I have my air crisper preheated in the Foodie grill. It gives you the preheat option. I have it preheated at 360. I have a half a stick of butter or a fourth of a cup melted in my coffee mug here. And I have 6 drumstick legs. I just kind of set these out as I was getting everything prepared so they weren't cold because I'm going to pour this melted butter on them to help my my Old Bay seasoning, which I also have here, stick to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my baggie that I have my chicken legs in, and I'm just going to pour that fourth of a cup of butter. It doesn't have to be precise. I am just getting it all over these guys. And it's going to set up a little bit because they're cold and it was hot, and that's fine. We're just giving the skin an extra incentive to crisp up here. So what I'm going to do now is grab these so I can put them in my air crisper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in here and give them as much space as possible, and then I'm going to just sprinkle on top using the sprinkle part of the Old Bay container. Just going to sprinkle it on the outside. Probably going to use about a teaspoon total because when I flip them, I'm going to sprinkle it on the outside again. But what I'm going to do in my preheated 360, and I'm going to keep fighting with this baggie apparently, is I'm going to go ahead and put these guys in. And I just like to turn them every other which way. I'll show you here in just a sec. So that they can get as much room as possible. Air is your friend when air frying. As much air that can circulate around each one, the crisper and the more evenly everything's going to cook. Okay, so just throw my bag away. I'm going to set this aside for when I flip, and I'm going to just sprinkle these guys kind of generously, depending on if you like this spice or not. I really love it. I think its #1 ingredient in it is celery salt, which I think is very, very interesting. It's just a really nice, usually a flavor that I usually use in seafood dishes, crab in general, but I really like it on chicken too. I got that idea out of one of Carolyn Ketchum's cookbooks, and I've been doing that on all my favorite chicken recipes ever since. So we're going to do this. It's going to cook air fry 360 for 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and sprinkle on the top again here once that goes off, and we'll be back in 3, 2, 1, and we are back. It has been 15 minutes and our chicken is cooking up very nicely. Here's what it looks like so far. So now all we are going to do is flip the legs and then sprinkle a little bit more Old Bay on, and then we're going to cook for another 15. And it will be nice and delicious. So let me get these all flipped. definitely slippery. Trying to clip them. Now with the air fryer, you will notice the top of the chicken will always be more dry, and the bottom will always have more moisture. That's why we definitely want to flip throughout the cooking so that the skin has the chance to crisp up on all sides. And I'm telling you, this recipe does it perfectly. So here we go. We're going to just close the lid on this. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the air crisp back on. Let me see, air crisp. I'm going to make sure I've got it turned down to 360. And I'm going to turn it down to 15 minutes. I'm going to click start. And I'm going to go ahead and skip the preheat because I know that it's very hot because I just turned it off. So I'm going to just let my 15 minutes go ahead, because if I let it go back through its heating cycle again, it might overcook my chicken, and I definitely want it crisp on the outside but nice and tender on the inside and not dried out. So we'll be back in 15 minutes in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. It has been 15 minutes and these look incredible. I went ahead and took the lid off so that it could cool just a little bit before I try to pull them out of there so I don't burn myself. So let me grab one of these guys so I can bring it up and show you how amazing. It's very, very hot. But this is a perfectly crisped up Old Bay chicken leg. They taste so good. I'm so excited. I'm also gonna burn myself. I just know, because it's really hot. Maybe I'll just wait just a second. It's really good though. It smells really good. It's hot. I love this recipe. To be honest, it almost just tastes like really, really good fried chicken, to the point where I'm like, why do I make fried chicken breading mix anymore anyways? Because this tastes just as good, actually better, and all I gotta do is sprinkle some stuff on. So, I don't know. Guys, this is yummy. This is really good. I haven't tried it cold yet, because I really like cold fried chicken. I haven't tried that yet because every time I make it, they eat all of it. But I might make a double batch sometime soon and see how it tastes cold. That would be the determining factor. So I'm burning my thumb just even holding the thing. It tastes so good though. If you guys like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe and become a member of our slow cooking family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, click the ding-a-ling. That's the notification bell down below. But whatever you do, we'd love for you to laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys. I'm gonna try and eat this now. It's steaming up my glasses. I love it. You gotta try this.
I'm not in this show.
The food is done, so he has come by.
I'm not in this show, but it don't mean I'm not gonna eat the food.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.